put avocado leaves in boiling water, and within 10 minutes, you let it simmer and you have your tea ready. Welcome to Lillian's Garden. In this video, I will show you the different recipes for avocado leaf tea, avocado seed tea, and lemon avocado tea. Pour your tea into the mugs and it's ready to drink. You need 4 avocado leaves and 2 cups of water to make these 2 cups of tea. The tea has a slightly bitter herbal taste. You may drink it like this and you have your avocado tea. You can squeeze in the lemon. You can see there's a slight color change and the tea looks brighter. It's going to have a lemony taste now, and you can just drink it like that. You may also want to add honey. Honey is good if you don't want to use sugar, but if you use sugar, then you can add sugar at this stage. The tea has a slightly bitter herbal taste. You may drink it like this. You may add lemon or honey, and you can add both, or you may add sugar just to taste. That's it. It tastes nice with the lemon, and it also tastes nice with the lemon and the honey. But usually I would just add lemon and drink it, and it's great. But a lot of people would prefer to put honey if you're used to using honey. Once you put the lemon, it just tastes all right. Because a lot of the times I just take this pear tea on its own. I don't put even the lemon. I just want to show you that you can make several recipes with the tea. I'm going to keep that cup till tomorrow and I'll have it cold, so you don't have to take it hot. This is our avocado. After eating it, I can use the seed to make tea as well, because the avocado seed contains the same quercetin, magnesium, potassium that we find in the main body of the fruit and in the leaves. But you have to peel it. We don't consume the skin of the seed. So I'm going to now rinse this, and I'll use half of the seed, 2 cups of water, and break it into bits like this to make it change. See, I put in 2 cups of water, just like lemon, and in 10 minutes I have this ready, and I pour it into mugs. You can see it's a beautiful bright red color. When I taste it, it has no taste. It's almost like water. So I put in lemon as well, and it starts to taste lemony. I can add honey, so it becomes lemon avocado tea. And if you use sugar in place of honey, you can put sugar. That's okay as well. This tea is very good. Contains all the minerals that we find in the avocado itself, because the avocado leaves and avocado seed contain the quercetin, calcium, potassium, magnesium, iron, and other minerals that we find in the avocado fruit. This is the pear leaf tea. This is the pear seed tea. They both contain minerals. It helps stabilize the hormones, the enzymes in the body. This is the lemon. I'm going to add the lemon to this. When you squeeze the lime into the avocado seed tea, you can see the color change from red to a beautiful orange. You can then add honey, just a small spoonful of honey. I store them in a glass jar and wait for it to cool. Then I put it in the fridge. Drinking avocado tea, either the seed tea or the leaf tea, has several health benefits, such as providing antioxidant effects, lowering cholesterol levels, managing diabetes, and reducing fat in the body. It's good for weight loss, and it manages the sugar in the blood. This antioxidant-rich tea contains magnesium, which helps control all the hormones in the body and puts them to a balance. Drinking this tea would make you feel more energetic and able to actually exercise more. It takes away tiredness. The seed is high in metabolism boosting oleic acid, which can help shrink your waist. It contains serotonin, which helps with gut health, anxiety, and sleeping patterns. Polyphenols, which helps with weight loss and blood pressure, and many other natural benefits, and perfect for intermittent fasting or everyday life. The seed is high in metabolism boosting oleic acid, which can help reduce belly fat. This time, I'm going to put a spoonful of honey because we've seen how it changed when I put some lemon juice. So it's now time to see what happens. So we can put in a spoonful of lemon, or if you like to use sugar, maybe just a spoonful of sugar. And we stir it in. There's no color change. The honey has a flavor and then a very slight taste. I hope you can make your own avocado seed tea and avocado leaf tea. Leave a like, leave a comment. This helps me to improve the channel content. Thank you.